Amid reports of incursions by Bangladeshi miscreants in Conjoy, Southwest Khasi Hills, the Meghalaya government has dispatched a 3-member delegation to assess the situation and gather inputs from local residents unsettled by the recent incidents. The delegation was constituted on the directive of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Preston Tensong. It included the MLA from Mendipathar and advisor to the government on border areas, Marthan J. Sangma, the advisor on education, Meghalaya'S Shangplyang, and Vice Chairman Kit Borlang Nongrem. The visit followed petitions from residents of Khonjoy and Maheshkhola, highlighting their anxiety over alleged cross-border harassment. During their tour, the team held meetings with villagers from Conjoy B, Rangdongai and Maheshkhola to document ground realities and assess security challenges. Local leaders also submitted a memorandum through the delegation urging immediate government intervention. The delegation announced that a comprehensive report on their findings would be submitted to the Chief Minister and the Home Minister, recommending measures to bolster border security and address the grievances of the local population. Briefing the press after the visit, Marthan J. Sangma said the team gathered accounts from villagers who spoke of recent intrusions and the difficulties faced by border settlers. Residents reported that although fencing exists along the international boundary, sections have collapsed due to heavy rains, leaving stretches vulnerable as they are far from border outposts. He added that reinforced patrolling by the police and the BSF had eased some of the immediate fears among the people.
Today we have visited all the affected areas, especially Conjoy, Maheshkhola and the bordering areas. And then we have learned many things regarding this incident. Last week it has taken place near the border areas. So we have met all the people there. So we have seen and we have learned that there are so many problems being faced by the border area people. Regarding the fencing, so we are told that we have seen that there are some areas where the fencing are not in proper shape, already damaged because of the flood, because of the landslide and all. So there are many areas where the distance between the two outposts is a bit far from each other. So there should be attention from the government side, from the central government to give more posts in between the two posts. So as of now, I don't think the people are satisfied because of the state. Police department also have visited along with us, and then they are going to strengthen the outpost here, like ADCAM and all, to monitor the situation in a better way.
After your visit,
we will just whatever we have seen and we have learned that all the issues will be taken up for discussion with Home Minister and Chief Minister. So whatever the possible way, we are going to resolve the issues.
Meghalaya'S Shangplyang noted that residents of Maheshkhola specifically flagged concerns over Bangladeshi nationals entering through damaged portions of the border fence. Villagers stressed that the situation posed particular risks to women and families and demanded urgent repairs. Shangplyang said the team also met the Superintendent of Police Southwest Khasi Hills, B. Jirwa, who informed them that additional forces were being requisitioned to intensify security in the area.
Bapentip Shah Chief Minister Yakajing Shem Junjar Jong Kini Kinong Chong Shnong, Kini Kamtam Kini Lightly Kishnong, Katan Bordar, Conjoy, Rang Dongai, but Maheshkhola. kila pentip show chief minister ba kila don ki khar Bangladesh ki belawan rungto kasinong jongki bat kila persang ban rabor ya ki nong sinong jong kane kathan bodar ni bat anda kila persang ya kata andre ulami do ba ulayo ban kem ya kini ki khar Bangladesh kumba arngut langut nang to kisa yo ban kem sa kumba ngerumut kumba long menta andre kane ke jingjia kelawan ra ke jing chongsir ke sinong ka thau hang ne namar ba kumba ki sungthu ki nong sinong ki ong ba kaladon dan don de sa katuk ni kita ki khot jong kan ka group jong ni ka gang ka ba wan nang tai na Bangladesh tengi langut matasi nilai poi bat ngila lej ban ya kendo ya ki pai ba nong sinong nengkong Conjoy bat ngila ya selok ki pai ba bat kaladon ka jing kuntu nak leng pai ba ban de ban bo ya ki anti decoity camp bat bandang hapli shu ya ki police outpost padang don de sa ki jing jong ki pai ba ki shem hakni ka than ki kam development ya ka ba kila submit ya ka memorandum hangi bat ngingin sa penpoy ya kini memorandum sha not honorable chief minister dungi hadin kata ngi poi ka sinong rang dong dai kade gane ka sinong ka ba kini ki khar Bangla kila rung jubor bat kila persang banra ban kidnap ya uwe unong sinong ubade ka tu sinong andre da ka jing ya pertasla ki lami ki paiba bakila yo ban bat ya ki katuk ningut gitu ki nong persang berabor ki bawan na Bangladesh tekani ka sinong ila ai mesim ki nilai don rekat bat USP jongka West Khasi Hills bat hangto hi USP jongka West Khasi Hills ula kular ba lasai kasngi hi on wanra no ya ki anti decoity camp but on bo de ya ki pulit ban pahara ya katu ka sinong but kumjo de don jing kentu na kaliang USP ba ni de bangin constitute ya ki BDP namar hakine ki sinong pompat don BDP tengiru ni la kesan jor ya kata de turwa ba de ban bo ya ki BDP ban apa hara ya ka sinong hadin kata ngi poi sa mahai sekolah ba mahai sekolah ru kumju ngi osno ki khobor ba don kalenti ya jong kini ki khar Bangladesh ki ba ya na ka to ka lenti mahai sekolah bat ki la prung lengba ka fencing ka bala fight bala pra ba ki la yo ban rung na ka fencing syakene syapo ka rijungi de keladon kencing tu bangi de bangin pej bahaya kini ki fencing bagi don bon ki fencing border fencing kide bala pra bala rim gila jot bat don de ba cara ka de kita ba ki kentu ba ide bangin maromot ya kini ki fencing nang ban yada ya ka jing krung tu jong kini ki khar Bangladesh ala dep ya kata wilayah ya kalenti border blokawai kadon kalenti ke ba ya tengku ha bat ya ka border fencing bat ngilawan jurip ngilayui daladi ba kadai kajing sisa ba ke surok sengkin kalom ka ba snew hadu rata bat kumju de kadon kajing thut ka network communication ka mobile bon kam trekam teng don kam ban ai su ya ka kam development hakini ka thain border bat kumju nilayoi ya kita ki border fencing ki bala julor ki bala snew te ngin sara ya kene baro ban submit kung ka kaipot sya u chief minister nakani ka delegation jongi pat ngin sa lej ban batay company u chief minister ya ka jing baki shem kini ki nong song sinong hakani ka thain border jongi